Hey guys and dolls, and welcome back into another video. My name is Jason, and today we are going to be talking about some of the action that is happening on the market, and we are going to be capitalizing on those red days, because today guys, you can see up on my chart we do have the spider index, which is the S&P 500. You can actually see right here that we are actually having that big red sell-off. So this is a nice 4-hour red candle. So what does this mean? This means, in my opinion, that stocks are actually having a sale. They're having a pullback today. So on sale days guys, that is when I like to go shopping, because if I can get my favorite stocks on sale, then I am going to be a very happy man. So that is what I want to teach you guys on this channel. I always want you to capitalize and make the most of your profits on those red days, because guys, red days are those nice sale days, and that is when I am going to be buying, just like I said. If you are new, then I just want to say welcome into the channel. I make videos on the stock market every day, and we have been absolutely killing it on this channel. Our Mara play is up over 130%, guys. We also have Open Door up over 40%. NNDM we've been in since about $9 to $10. So guys, we are absolutely smashing it on this channel. So I would love for you to hit that big red subscribe button below and join this family here on YouTube of investors where we make money together. So guys, I am giving you a market update today, and I'm also going to be telling you about my favorite stocks that I'm watching. Right now, I actually am watching RMO. So this stock is Romeo Power. And I do want to let you guys know that I have just entered a big position. So why have I done that? Well, you can see up on my screen, I actually have just drawn out that support for you guys. So we are actually hitting a support area, I believe right now, of about $15.50. And you can see that in history, we actually did retest this on this bar right here, where we actually did touch down onto that $15.50 before we ping barred back up. Now guys, I am expecting this to settle into some kind of consolidation before moving forward. And the reason I'm bringing this to your attention today guys is because we actually did hit highs of about $40 back in middle of December. Since then, we have had a gigantic sell-off, and the share price is now bottoming around that $15 range. Now, why did this happen, and what is going on? So if I actually come up here to my browser, you guys can see that Morgan Stanley actually put out a short report against Romeo Power. Now, what did they do? They actually downgraded the stock and said that this stock was overpriced, and they had a new target for it to reach $12. So that is a pretty dramatic price downgrade. And if we go onto Google, we can actually see that some other analysts are offering their 12-month price forecast for Romeo Power, which include a medium target of $30 and high estimates of $40. So guys, I do believe that this is a complete drama, and I think what they're trying to do is they're trying to get that share price down so that they can buy in those stocks nice and cheap before they capitalize and make a lot of money, because that is what people do in the stock market, and unfortunately it does happen every single day. So I believe right now that we are testing that support. I've actually drawn up on the graph some areas of resistance that I believe will be a good price action confirmation moving forward so that we can take profits. Now, I actually believe that in the short term, this is going to rebound, hit that $18, and hopefully it should consolidate around this area before moving higher into about that $22 range. Now guys, if we do actually hit that $24, then that is going to be my first area to clear some of these funds that I am holding. That is going to be over about 50% upside from the current share price. So guys, I will be selling off some of my position once we do hit that $24 range. But in the long term, I do believe that we are going to retest these highs again of about $30 to $40, which presents us a lovely upside of about 2 to 3x from the current share price. And this is why I'm bringing this stock to your attention today. So right now, I have started to load up my boat. As you guys know, I love to use those red days as those sale days where I can get my stocks nice and cheap. So I do love to see a good deal in the market, and right now that is what I think I have found. So that is a stock that I just wanted to bring to your attention. If we actually go over to my play on SNDL, I have actually done a lot of videos on SNDL. So if you are new to the channel and you haven't done any research, then again, make sure to do all of your own research and due diligence, because I'm not a financial advisor, and this channel is for education and entertainment purposes only. But you can see from my other videos that I have been putting this on a buy zone for myself, and I have been loading up anywhere below that $2 range. So right now we almost did touch that 50 on the SMA. As you guys can see, we are actually retracted back to the 50 on the RSI, and you can see that the volumes have started to decrease. So if we do actually find that we have some more volumes picking up in the near future, then we are going to see a nice catalyst, and hopefully this share price is going to take off. Now I do have a price target set on this play for about $4 to $6, and the reason why my price target is gapped so differently is all to do with that legalization and news press that does come out about the MJ sector. So guys, that is just a stock to throw on your radar. I am currently loading up on this stock, and we do see any more sales and we do actually start to in fact retest down to that $1.40 range, then I will be loading up and selling some of my other stocks to capitalize on this investment, because I do feel like in the short term we may see some volatility, but in the long term I do think that this is going to retest those highs up here of about $4 onwards. So guys, this is a stock right now that I am watching and I have put on my buy radar. And as you guys can see, we are actually having a big sell-off on a lot of the other stocks today. Most of the stocks that are doing quite well are actually our Bitcoin plays. So plays like Mara, for example, that is doing extremely well. Our Riot and blockchain, that's also doing very well. And if I actually come all the way down, I had actually purchased shares of SOS on this channel. I hadn't mentioned it, but I did buy in this when it was about $2. Since then, we have had a massive run up. I think I'm up over 500% at some point today, because we did hit highs of about $16. Now, this is essentially going to move with the price of Bitcoin because it's associated within the crypto space, because they have mining capacities and securities that work inside that crypto and Bitcoin sector. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is absolutely booming. If you do want to learn more about Bitcoin, then I will link my video above that I did a few weeks ago about Bitcoin. And in that video, I did state that it will be very soon, we will start to see some institutional investors putting their money inside Bitcoin. And what happened the next week? Well, Elon Musk actually did buy $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. So that is absolutely incredible. And then we did see a huge push in the share price of Bitcoin. But you guys know that I like to be diverse, and the reason why, again, I'm bringing this to your attention is because right now Bitcoin is actually on a big lot of hype. So I want to capitalize on this opportunity, but you don't essentially have to hold Bitcoin to profit on it. You can actually make money from holding plays such as SOS and also Mara and Riot. So these are some stocks that I just wanted to throw out and bring to your attention. And if you guys do see any major pullbacks on the share price of Marathon Patent Group, then this could be a stock to pop on your radar. And if we do see this anywhere below that $40 range, especially around that $37 to $30 range, and I don't think we are going to see this for a long time, then I will also be capitalizing by moving some of my investment money back into this play. So guys, that makes up for the recap on today's video. I hope that everyone is well and staying safe out there in the markets. Remember that red days are your friend, and the stock market is like an elastic band. It's no good when the stocks go up like this, because when they do, they are going to come crashing back down. So we like to have those red days because it gives us a peace of mind as investors that the market is just breathing, and it definitely needs to do that. So if you have made it this far, I just want to say thank you for your support. Do be sure to hit that big red subscribe button below. I would love to have you on this journey where we make money together. My name is Jason. Have a great day and stay safe, and I'll see you guys back on my channel for some more content on investing soon. Peace.